Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Skytree, Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Skytree. 2 different towers. Hi, I'm Tommy, and we're getting ready for Japan. Tokyo Tower, Tokyo Skytree. Hey guys, I hope everybody's having a great holiday season. Of course, as I film this, we're between Christmas and New Year's. Christmas, of course, the big holiday here in the United States. In Japan, they actually make a bigger deal about the New Year's. They do have traditions for both. Apparently, one of the big traditions actually in Japan for Christmas is getting KFC. But they have lots of traditions having to do with New Year's. If you'd like to learn about New Year's in Japan, I think a great video was made by Tara Shigako. So I'm gonna give you the link to that so you can check that out if you'd like to. But I think we're here to talk about Christmas, and I just want to show off some of the stuff that I got for Christmas. A lot of it has to do with the trip. So kind of help me out. Something that they got for me was a something to help with my Japanese vocabulary. So I got a book about Japan by rail. So I'm looking forward to reading that. Check. We got a planning map in here. You can see it's a. Fold that quick, and there you go. It comes with some stickers to mark things on the map as we're making our plan. I mean, it kind of makes things, more real for me. Like this is something that's really going to happen. This is something that, Reilly and my wife Noreen have been giving me gifts to help plan this out. This is really something that's going to happen. Of course, I'm not the only one getting presents for Christmas. Let's see if Reilly wants to show off some of the presents that she got. Hi, Reilly. Hi. Did you get Pokemon stuff for Christmas?
Yeah.
Yeah, what's some of the stuff you got there?
Huh? A Pikachu game.
You got your very own Pokemon game? Let's Go Pikachu? In your book? What's that book about?
Pokemon. All about Pokemon.
It's all about Pokemon?
And a Pikachu payout.
Aw, that's cute. The car got a Pikachu antenna topper, but I have interrupted Reilly. Sorry, back to the cute kid.
It's Mama's.
That was Mama's Dragonite, now it's yours? That was nice of Mama, right?
Yeah.
Alright, thanks for telling us about your presents, Reilly.
Yeah.
Love you.
Love you. Mwah.
So I know what you're thinking. Reilly got all the fun stuff, and I just got stuff for planning out the trip. But you know what? I did get one really fun thing. I got the thing that was all the way at the top of my list this year, and that is the Lego Tokyo Skyline. So really excited about getting that, really excited about putting that together. So let's see how it goes. A little confession, the most recent one I made was specifically labeled for ages 4 and up, and that wasn't for Reilly, it was for me. I mean, it was a snow speeder that came with a Wedge Antilles minifigure. How could I resist that, right? But this is my first grown-up Lego model. So here we go. Let's see what's inside. I'll open it up here. Enjoy your building experience. Look at that. We have inside there a few different bags with different things in there. Number 2, so I probably shouldn't start with that one, right? There you go, there's some more. This one is also number 2. Okay, they're messing with me. And what else do we have in here? This one. Number 1, there you go. What else do we have? Hopefully there's instructions in there somewhere, right? Some big bag. That one is another number 1. So hopefully the multiple number 1s and number 2s will be explained to me somewhere, because that's confusing. amazing. And look, there you go. There is the instruction booklet. It's almost frighteningly thick, but we'll see how this goes. So here is the instruction book. Has information about Tokyo, some of the buildings that are part of the model there. It's cool. And then of course the instructions themselves, all, let's see. Skipping to the end. Oops, the end. All 91 steps of it, so let's see. You think I'm up to the challenge? Let's find out. All right, let's get cracking. As I knock things down already. Okay, now we have bags marked 2 and bags marked 1. So I'm guessing we're going to start with the bags marked 1, right? So let's put the ones that are marked 2 out of the way for now. And check out what it says in the instructions. Looks like you can get fancy online instructions too, but let's do things the old-fashioned way. Open the bags. There we go. And of course, bags inside the bags. To admit, I'm a little intimidated at this point. With bags inside of bags. Probably have more. There we go. So that one is empty. Oh, they gave me a little tool there. Do you see that? Look at that. That's fancy. I hope I don't actually need the thing that's fancy, but man, if I need something that fancy, I get in more trouble than I was expecting. Okay, there we go. These are all of the pieces from the bags labeled 1. Okay, let's get going. So it looks like the first thing we're gonna do is assemble the base according to the instructions here. You can see that. So, gonna start on that. You can see that's what everything in step 1 is going to build. And starting off with the base. So, you know what? I'm going to kind of put it into fast forward as I do that. So, here we go. So there you have it. We have the base all done. And next, we're going to move on to the Tokyo Tower. All right, the base of Tokyo Tower is ready, so we can put that onto the base plate. There you go. Okay, we are just about done building Tokyo Tower. Have to assemble the antenna. Goes on top there. There you have it. Tokyo Tower is done. Not the Tokyo Skytree though. Okay, just a few more finishing touches and we are going to be done. Here you go, the pagoda goes right there. And there's our sakura tree. Alright, so here's what we have so far. Tokyo Tower, along with the pagoda and sakura tree. And that is all of part 1 of the Tokyo Skyline. Okay, time to get going on part 2. We have our part 2 bags right here. As you can see, we have everything organized. I don't think there's quite as many pieces in part 2, but I feel like there are actually more unique colors, so it'll be interesting to see how that comes together. All right, let's start putting it together. We have a little park area with a temple and some more sakura trees. We have Shibuya done, including the Shibuya crossing. And that completes the Tokyo Big Sight Convention Center. And despite its name, that is the last of our small buildings. We're building on to the big buildings now. So that is the Mode Gakuen Cocoon Tower. All right, now we have Mount Fuji. There you have it, the completed Tokyo Skytree and the fully completed model. And of course, Tokyo Tower and the Tokyo Skytree, 2 different towers. It was a lot of fun to put that together, and also I think very rewarding for me. Mount Fuji is there. I really like the little sakura trees. And of course the 2 big towers on either side. So thank you for watching. Thanks for following along as I put this together. And thank you for joining me on this video. Be sure to keep following. We'll have more to come very soon. And please let me know in the comments if there's anything that I can do better. Because I do want to keep on improving as I make these videos. So again, thank you so much for watching. And we'll see you next time. Remember, the trip is a while off, but the journey has already begun. And thanks for coming along with us. Thanks again.